Yeah, don't mama naba.
Abuja from Mamu Nyina Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina hwato e ko amamo we die e die nto Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda hwa ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko mra sisi.
Yeah, don't mama naba.
Akom ni nchiremu Mr.Happiness enti advert nti na aba kurum ha wayo sinu mo twa mo de awie ena wo bananka o se open pabo bi bre wunu aba yo wunu aba yo o se dwoma ama aba waye ya wo so bode ne kokoi na on pe broni wa u bi mre ne nhye we de enye why o de ende ye na wunu aba ne de ende amfa abana waje mabunu sika aka akiro mo so mo nyina nya HIV/AIDS no na ya advert nti na obaye ye de watch so akwabena ne de koma yewura John Dramani Mahama gina simpie so se obakire kwan o de 24-hour economy ebefa mabunu adwuma okurum ha amene wo kasai afe ne ya kire konfie mienu 24-hour economy entimi ma babunu ba akokura adwuma nyei ya jiji ya mabunu susika di so omunyina nya HIV/AIDS advert wenti na aba kurum ha Mr.Happiness oko kwasi broni kurom no omoto aba yiyi akandifuo bi se ya ka akonya adwuma ye aban a wontimi ntua akuafo ka aban advert wenti na aba kurum ha Mr.Happiness oko kwasi broni kurom no omoto aba yiyi akandifuo bi se ya ka akonya adwuma ye aban a wontimi ntua akuafo ka aban a wontimi ntua kokwa akuafo ka advert nti ni waba kurum ha ana wanya wunu aba aso eka ho ya aso na mutwa ayi advert ama ndisi aban aban a yentua ayi akuafo ka okurum ha yemfa mabunu adwuma 24-hour economy ya mutu ehun advert nti na aba kurum ha yo ene ye mo akwaba eja be mani mo nyamfo ye mo akwaba ti na mo se ye nchi enwumu na mo meye de ye mo pe okurum ha yate ye nyina ebe kwa afiase na mafa kuro wi why tamamu we nti na wabasa wu betwa advert amadwoma amade a ye nyina ebe kwa afiase na mafa kuro ni Mahama edi sumo nkwa na nyina
but ordin for ka 1 billion shop ni si ho enyoma gum but ohwe a car ode na ohwe ni jetura the amount of money he owes is more than his capital. The shop is there but it's insolvent. Let's educate Ghanaians, Hobson, please. You see, let me land, please stop that. When you say that somebody owe Group Indum, nobody is denying that. But what the Bank of Ghana was looking at, Bank of Ghana was looking at his capital. When your capital is low, he was reduced from a bank to a savings and loans. When Group Indum now became a savings and loans, at the time, the minimum capital needed was 15 million Ghana cedis. And even that, he didn't have as minimum capital.
Which one?
The 15 million.
For what?
For the minimum capital when he became a savings and loans.
Okay.
You understand? So today, somebody is saying that the appeal court has now given back his license. Under what condition? So are you telling me that, oh, he's going to open a bank at Winneba? Fine. But under what conditions? Is it under the new 50 million requirement or under the old requirement of 15? Existing banks, which are savings and loans, are per the Bank of Ghana regulations, are supposed to get to 50 million Ghana cedis by December 2026. Does Group Indom has 50 million Ghana cedis minimum capital? New entrants, if you're a new entrant coming into the bank, you are supposed to have 100 million Ghana cedis. Nobody is against Group Indom having a bank. But you see, the court can make a ruling, but the court cannot give you a license. Because licenses come with speculations. Licenses come with money. Group Indom today cannot be given back his license under the old 50 million Ghana cedis. He has to come in with 50 million Ghana cedis.
Obeti atechem wo suro se obekọ ti bia manfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one ma yensen si form papa one ma Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adaje ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president e ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show some ma wu buye wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se wo betwa 12 good years wo tumi nye hwe wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina kokofu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie B3st ya she goals say woto ebi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonso na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan Kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, ye no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party. KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you radio ndama ni ma say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon the money mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya happiness say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.